guys, welcome back to Okay Tasha. So I'm doing a little packing for my trip, and I want to share with you guys my new luggage, my new suitcase that I bought because I think it is so freaking fancy.
Okay, Tasha. Yeah. Okay, Tasha. 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 Okay, Tasha. Okay, Tasha. Okay, Tasha. Okay, Tasha. Okay, Tasha. Okay, Tasha.
So just a little background about this suitcase situation. I struggle at the airport. I'm gonna tell y'all why. Because I have a suitcase in this hand, a suitcase in this hand. I have my carry-on bag on my back, and then I have my purse. So I be looking like I am about to just fall flat on my face with all of this stuff. Suitcases I have only have 2 wheels each. So I be getting mad, like I mean peed off. I'm walking through the airport, you know what I'm saying, minding my business, because that's what I do. And they got people just gliding on by with their little fancy, bougie suitcases with the 4 wheels on it. I don't really care. Okay, I do care. So I was like, you know what, this trip, I'm gonna be gone for 8 days. 8 days. So I was like, man, I don't want to have all that luggage, bro. Like, I just want one suitcase. I don't know how I'm gonna get everything in one suitcase, but I will. So went to Wally World. I was like, man, I'm gonna spend about $80 on a suitcase, on one suitcase, so I can fit everything in, and probably just have me like a little light carry-on bag in my purse. So I'm going through the aisle. I'm looking at all the luggage. I'm like, man, this luggage expensive. So I'm digging. Y'all, man, I found a suitcase. Let me show y'all. I found this suitcase right here. Ain't it cute? It's so cute. I wish it was green and black, but I'll take this. I don't really care about the colors. But it was $40. 40.00. Guess what the regular price was? $89. I know. Y'all should come shop with me because I find deals. I don't have no coupons or nothing. But yeah, this one was $40, and I think it is so cute. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it because it's cute on the inside. I think that's why I really bought it, because it's cute on the inside. So this, look, I'm excited. I'm easy to please. So got this part on it. And then we have this. So apparently you pull this out. They have a thing on here. Let's see. So there's a thing on here. You clamp it, pull that, and that's supposed to tighten it, which is good. Because I know in baggage claim, they just throw you stuff. So you loosen that, and then you can unzip it all the way. And then we have this part. Man, I like this. I really wish it was green, but that's fine. So we're just gonna close that part up. Oh no, so that's gonna lock this part. So this is the best part. Let me see. Don't worry about it. I don't know how to work it yet. Okay, there it goes. Voila! I'm tall. Can you see me? Look how cute! Look, so it has this part to it. It has this part to it. And then it has this. This is my favorite part. And then there's like this little secret compartment on it. So this right here, I'm gonna like a lot. I think I'm gonna use this part for like my hygiene things. This is gonna be for my panties, and this is going to be for my bras. And then I hope I think it's deep. What y'all think? I think it's deep because I'm gonna be gone for 8 days. I'm trying to pack everything I can up in here because I don't want to have all that luggage. I'm gonna take that out. So look, they have this little zipper port in here. How neat is that? I bet your suitcase don't do that for $40. So I got that part. So I was so excited. I bought some stuff today. Look. So I had like my toothpaste, toothbrush, some Clorox wipes for the bathroom because the airport is nasty. Then I got just some regular wipes for like on the airplane because that's nasty. And then I have my sanitizer for my hands. And then I bought these cute little, I tell y'all I like green. So I bought these little things, but I forgot what I bought them for. Like what liquid I was supposed to put in here. It's not conditioner because I bought conditioner. And I mean, I don't know what I bought it for. So anyway, I have my pick. Gotta have my pick. So the ladies know what this is for. And then some little ponytail holders because I don't plan on doing much to my hair. Gotta have that baby oil. You never know what's gonna happen. And so, oh, that's what I got this for. Because I have like the big things of Olay soap. So I am going to put some extra soap in here. That's what I got this for. And get my little deodorant. I have an extra one, so that's why I only bought one. So what I just want to put this in here to see how it's going to do. See how much weight it can have in here. Because this is awesome for like when I'm going through my suitcase to find what I'm going to wear or whatever in my suitcase. Well, no, because your suitcase is not going to be standing up when you're looking for something to wear. It's gonna be laying flat. So if I put it flat, but that's still cool because it's gonna be right there. So that's awesome. So like my toothpaste can go in there. Oh, so my hair stuff can go right here. I don't have a lot of hair stuff. Natural. I don't have a lot of hair stuff. I guess like my blow dryer can go right there. And then all of this can fit in here. Baby oil. Ponytail holder, nope, that can go with my hair stuff. Toothbrush, oh, and this is gonna go into my backpack. Altoids, you gotta have that. I guess that's it. That's really all my video was about, was my little suitcase, because I just wanted y'all to see how much my suitcase how much my suitcase cost and how cute it was. For $40, and they had some more. I got mine on Nelson Road in Lake Charles, so they had like maybe 3 or whatever if you want to go get one. By the time I post this video, hopefully they will still be there. But this is all I wanted to show you guys. Just a little quick video. Make sure you subscribe, comment, click the bell for notifications. Please go check out more of my videos and tell your friends. Share. And I think that is all that I have. Is that all? Did y'all see the wheels? Look how cute the wheels are. Booyah! So I will vlog about my trip. So be expecting that. I will show y'all how lazy I'm going to be on vacation. 8 long days of vacation. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later in the next video. Bye.